I'm back. Making another video about Fortnite. So, yeah. It's over and it shouldn't have started 3 days, so you know that means. Alright, here's the revival video. So, no, not do that. But instead, there's also that and this. That's all I'm oh my god, that sucks. Okay, I'm gonna start that. Don't like.
Fortnite in here.
What?
Wait, don't call me. I have that.
I wasn't copying you. I just got the skin.
I don't have that. I was talking about that parachute.
You make it wider.
Yeah, duh.
Bruh.
But also, wait, can I play Fortnite in here?
Yeah, but you wanna play with me? So we like your man.
No. Oh, I'm crying.
No, I'm not crying.
It's not crying. Happy lost. Oh wait, can I see your level?
I'm on level 99. I'm almost at the high enough level almost to get I'm actually on level 99 before me.
Oh, I'm not.
See? Oh, okay. What up there?
Wait, can I find the Xbox on this?
No.
But that doesn't work.
What doesn't work?
That, it will come on.
Grab the other one again.
Yeah, it works. See? But
See, it worked.
But wait, okay,
Get out of my room.
Why?
Because you just gonna make ugly and said I was a brat.
No. Guys, never say that you were ugly brat. Go down to the video.
Yes.
No. Follow me, guys. I live in YouTube. So that. Wait,
But you did book one.
No, I want to talk about my YouTube channel.
Book one. You don't even
Let me talk.
You don't even have to use it.
So guys, yeah. Follow me on YouTube, guys. Follow and my YouTube channel is Blue Gaming. Like come and join me and like. So
Now something. No, that was really good. So fly, fly. Finally then. Now I'm going to go now check that to the choir, I guess. Up and away! Oh God. Okay, 90 ammo walk launcher, a stat, over, dude. No, before I do. Yes, we're all saved. I'm going here before I get to 2:30. Whoa.
But then Shot the first try. You gotta make it the first try. Let's go, baby. Come on, you got this. You know what? I feel bad. I'm gonna give you a second opportunity. One more try. Let's go. You get this one. You know what? I'm so generous. You get one last opportunity. One last shot. Alright, last try. If you miss this shot, you get the $100. Let's go. Sorry. I love you. I love you. Come on. You guys, so the kids are clearly outside playing in the backyard, having a good time. We're super excited.
I'm super excited because today we're going to be surprising Farad with someone that he truly loves, with someone that he misses so much, and that person is going to be coming today to the Boyas Planet.
So this is how he pushes the bus around, okay?
Don't have a good day. Have a great day.
But you need to go to where the devil was, yes. I'm not even having a great day anymore. I spent all that trying to win and I just die immediately. Nobody even warned me yet. There's way more powerful God now than me. It's just because they're dead in the game. I feel like somebody's cringing me right about that. Not somebody is doing that. That's me.
May the force be with you.
Well, yeah, I'll do later in this video. I wanted to play most more, and well.